Dust will no longer appear in your home. This is a proven method to keep dust away. All you need is a microfiber cloth. Wipe the surface where dust usually accumulates. It's important that the area is pre-cleaned before applying this trick. Then, take the microfiber cloth again and squeeze a small amount of hair conditioner onto it. You don't need much. Use the cloth with the conditioner to wipe the surface where you want to prevent dust from settling. Thanks to the conditioner, dust will stop accumulating. Tea will clean your floors. This trick will leave you with shiny, spotless floors you could eat off of. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. Start by making tea. Prepare it as usual, but use 3 bags of black tea. Drop them into a cup and pour boiling water over them. Wait for it to cool. Then, pour water into a bucket and add the prepared tea. Now grab your mop and clean the floor. This trick will make the surface cleaner than ever. Wash every room like this, and your floors will shine without any chemicals. You won't see a single streak. Throw a laundry pod into a bucket. This trick will give you floors so shiny and clean, you could eat off them. Your floor will finally sparkle like a mirror. Start by tossing a laundry pod into the bucket. Then add a handful of laundry scent beads. Pour hot water over these 2 ingredients. The pod will dissolve, and the beads will too, releasing a beautiful scent. This homemade cleaner is not only effective, but also smells amazing. Now pour everything into a second bucket. This step is crucial. Use one bucket to wring out the mop, and the other for soaking it in clean water. This trick ensures your mop stays in clean water, making your floors cleaner than ever. Wash every room this way, and your floor will shine without any streaks or chemicals. A hotel maid shared this trick with me, and it's amazing how simple it is. Now, I save money and always have a fresh toilet bowl. If you have laundry pods, you can do the same. Keep the plastic container from old toilet fresheners. Open it and rinse it thoroughly. Take a laundry pod that fits in the container without too much pressure. Avoid squeezing it, as the pod might burst and create a mess. Laundry pods have several key properties that make them a suitable replacement for traditional toilet cleaning tablets. They help keep the toilet bowl clean and fresh by releasing cleaning agents slowly over time. Use a sharp object, like a pin, to make a few small holes in the pod. This ensures the detergent releases gradually during flushing, providing a continuous cleaning effect. Place the container in the toilet bowl as you normally would when cleaning at home. Laundry pods work great as both fresheners and dirt controllers, and they will last a long time. Just 3 steps are enough, and you'll have shiny and clean floors that you can eat off of like a plate. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. The floor will be clean, shiny, without streaks and dullness. If you have these products, you'll quickly make the floor surface cleaner than ever. And you won't spend a fortune on it. The products you already have at home are enough. Pour warm water into the bucket. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid. A generous portion of vinegar, preferably about 1 cup, and a tablespoon of baking soda. Mix everything with a mop. Now everything is ready to wash the floors. This mixture removes dirt, grease, stains, and unpleasant odors. Additionally, vinegar kills bacteria and germs. Baking soda has disinfecting properties. That's why it's worth using it to clean the floor, especially if you have small children. Owners of dogs and cats should also use such a mixture to clean the floor. Vinegar also ensures there are no streaks or spots on the floor. Therefore, many people use it to clean laminate and tile floors. However, pure vinegar should not be used on wooden surfaces, so it's best to use mixtures where vinegar is one of many ingredients. See for yourself. Floor cleaning has never been so easy. A deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears. Soak mothballs in fabric softener. This trick will save you money. You won't be spending as much anymore. Thanks to this, your home will never be the same again. All you need are mothballs. A small package of such balls is enough. Take out just 3 balls. Take a piece of paper towel, place the mothballs on it. Wrap them and crush them with a kitchen hammer into a fine powder. Transfer the crushed mothballs into a large bowl, one that you use for cleaning or laundry. Pour in a liter of warm water. Stir the powder to dissolve. Add 150 milliliters of vinegar. Pour in 2 measures of concentrated fabric softener. This will make its pleasant scent more intense. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. And that's it. Just pour in another liter of water. Pour the mixture into a large 2-liter bottle. Make a hole in the cap. This will make using the liquid easier. This liquid is the best floor cleaner, and it's true. It cleans, sanitizes, and disinfects. It also leaves a pleasant scent, but the biggest advantage of this liquid is the mothballs. Thanks to them, the mixture repels all insects, not just moths. The scent of these balls also repels bedbugs, silverfish, and even mice. You no longer have to buy expensive floor cleaners. You also don't have to buy additional products to repel insects and rodents. This homemade liquid is enough. You can use it on all the floors in your home, especially on the bathroom floor, kitchen floor, or by the front door. I'm sure this liquid will be most useful to you. Add cinnamon to the bucket for mopping the floor. You would never think that cinnamon in mop water would bring such effects. I never thought about it before either. You have to try it. After watching the movie,